So this video is going to be quite simple, something that anybody can work with. I'm going to be showing you how you can use a scrub for your face. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Of course, with your skincare routine, with your skincare regimen, we know the basics we need to do. You need to cleanse your skin, you need to exfoliate, and in exfoliating you use the scrub, right? You also need to tone your skin, you need to moisturize. These are the basic things we do whenever we are trying to take care of our skin. So after cleansing, usually we exfoliate and we try to work on all that on our skin. Exfoliation is very good because it helps you to slough away all the dead cells, all the dead skin. Of course, every 90 days your skin replaces itself. So if you don't exfoliate properly, you just discover that there are some hidden things sitting on your face that you need to take care of. Sometimes cleansing does not do all the cleansing it needs to do. You need to take a step further and try to work with something that can actually take off all the dirt, all the grime, all the toxins, all those hidden makeup, all those hidden things. It might not be visible to your naked eye, but it is still there. There are many times you apply makeup and you think that you've washed off everything, but after cleansing, it's very good for you to exfoliate and use a scrub in this case. Like I always say, I try to use things from the comfort of my home, and today is no different. I'm going to be using 3 major things for you. And listen up guys, if you have sensitive skin, this video is particularly made for you, because I know people talk about some of the remedies I share, okay, it didn't work well for their skin, it made their skin age, it made their skin red. This particular one has been tried and trusted, and I believe it will work for you. It can work for anybody, but especially for those that have sensitive skin. So basically, what I'm just trying to say is that this skincare routine will work for everybody or almost anybody. So guys, just join me. I'm going to be using 3 major ingredients. I'm going to be using oatmeal or oat powder or oats. I'm going to be using almond oil. I'll be using some honey as well. So let me just show you what I'm going to be doing very quickly. Join me. So guys, we're going to be using these 3 major things. Like I said, we're going to be using oatmeal. Oatmeal will help to soak up all the excess oil on your skin. It will help you to treat acne. It has antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to treat dry skin and remove dead skin cells, just like I said. That is why it's a good exfoliator. Oats also contains some compounds called saponins, and these are natural cleansers. So this is the cleanser and the scrub all in one. They remove the dirt, they remove the oil that clog your pores, and it will exfoliate your skin. One of the best exfoliating things you can use is oatmeal. Raw honey or organic honey in this case helps to balance the bacteria on your skin, which is a great product to use for acne. Honey is also a natural humectant, meaning that it can help to draw moisture to your face and it won't leave your face dry and ashy. Honey also speeds up your skin cells healing processes. So if you have a bruise on your skin, you have some marks, you just need to take care of your skin and to make it heal faster, honey is one of the best things you can apply to your skin. And of course, you're going to be using sweet almond oil. Almonds are not just for snacking, it's not just healthy. Using almond oil in your skincare regimen is very, very beneficial. Almond oil, the sweet one or the bitter one, anyone is totally fine. But the sweet almond oil is the one that is better for your skin. It contains vitamin A, it contains vitamin E, which has antioxidant properties that can help to prevent cell damage and help to reduce UV damage to your skin. Almond oil contains zinc, which is an essential nutrient to heal acne or any other facial scars. It also contains omega-3 fatty acids, which help to prevent premature aging, and it will also safeguard your skin against sun damage. Almond oil can help to reduce puffiness on your skin. It improves your complexion and your skin tone. It has a lot of properties to improve both complexion and skin tone, and it has been used a lot for improving acne. It helps to reverse sun damage. It reduces the appearance of scars. It will help to smoothen your skin. It helps to treat dry skin. It helps to treat eczema and psoriasis. Almond oil has a plethora of many benefits. So adding almond oil to your skincare routine is going to help you greatly. So guys, I'll just start by taking a little bit of each. I already have some ground oats. I've blended the oats and this is it. I have the oat powder here. I'll advise you to grind it if possible. If not, you can use it wholesome just the way it is. I'll be using 2 teaspoons of almond oil and 1 teaspoon of honey. So just mix everything all together and your scrub is ready. So guys, let me just show you how I'm going to be applying this on my face. So when you have your mixture on your desired consistency, just take a bit and work it on your face. Apply in circular motions. It's a scrub, so you don't just apply. You have to like make it sink in into your skin, like you're trying to wash your face gently with your hands. And you can work this upwards on your face. I'm just going to do this in circular motions. It's a scrub, so the major thing it's supposed to do is to help me like remove all those like dirt, all those toxins and co. I would advise you to work with this on your face for like 2 minutes. And you know, like I said earlier on, this is foolproof for so many people, meaning that you can like almost anybody can use it without any reaction. It's very good for sensitive skin. After you've scrubbed it on your face for 2 minutes, you can leave it on your face for another 20 minutes. Let it just sink into your skin. Remove all those toxins, remove all the dirt, and you now wash your face afterwards. Washing your face, you also wash your face in circular motions. Please, when you finish doing this, do not apply soap on your skin. The soap is going to like make it go back to like where you're coming from, because doing this is already like cleansing enough. It's already like helping you to scrub your face, so you don't need to use soap at all. Please do not use soap on your face after you've done this. Just leave it as it is. And because of the almond oil and the honey you used in the beginning, you also do not need to use any moisturizer. For me, I do this when I'm about to go to bed and I just wash it off and I go to bed like that. I really do not use any moisturizer in this case. The honey and the almond oil are natural moisturizers and they will help to moisturize your skin. That is why I said you should not use soap. You can apply this scrub once a week. Anytime you want to scrub your face, of course you should cleanse your face every day, but scrubbing is like okay for you to do it once a week, at the most 2 times a week. Once a week is totally fine. You'll see a lot of results by the time you are consistent with doing this, even if it is just once a week. So this is my video for you guys today. If you need to take care of your skin properly, especially if you have sensitive skin, this is something you can do. It's also going to help you to fight off acne. It's going to help to balance your skin tone. It's going to help you to remove all the dirt, all the excess oil on your skin because of the 3 major ingredients we used. Please, if you enjoyed this video, kindly comment below and also share. Let me know your comments. Let me know what you think. Has it worked for you? Do you want to try it? Thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly subscribe if you've not subscribed and also turn on your notification bell for more videos, and I'll see you in subsequent ones. Bye.